website, we are also trying to offer more than 100 premium services for free, like create on portfolio website, resume builder, cover letter, motivation letter, and wow knowledge platform for gathering general knowledge which can upgrade all day. Kids learning game website, free course, convert sites, and many more. We help to empower you to learn to meet their expectation and dream and become highly skilled people. We implement several training program, webinar, and offline online courses for youth and learner by professional trainer, speaker, and coaches. Our sessions are conducted by globally renowned professionals to develop all kinds of youth and to promote the education of their abilities and personalities. Spreading knowledge is crucial for the Institute of Global Professional. We believe that knowledge is love and light and vision. So we try to understand the needs of today's generation and will serve them with good research and practice method. We must have a genuine concern for the learner to represent more diversity, growth, and innovation are required to lead a session with professionalism, passion, and integrity. RGB members are committed to offering effective best quality service and continual improvement so that individuals who seek information can improve their skill level and value. Before we move to the next, let me remind don't forget to share, tag, and mention your friend in the comment box. Your support is very valuable for us. Thank you. Before we move to the next, let me remind don't forget to share, tag, and mention your friend in the comment box. Your support is very valuable for us. Thank you. Moving to the next with your continuous support. We already completed 1,809 webinars successfully. Moving to the next with your continuous support. We already completed 1,809 webinars successfully. Dear RGP speaker, participant, and well-wisher, at this moment, this is a very important message for you all. We change and design our website, www.eduigp.com. On this website, we have surprise for everyone. Hope you will be benefited. We already launched a new website where you can find all our previous activities together with lots of new features. But one strong point is that without an account or logged in, you cannot enjoy our service. So create your account for us with profile information. Note that with profile information, you will enjoy a feature. With mismatched data, you cannot do anything here. From now on, you have to participate in live quiz competition on our website. We replace slide. You have to join directly on our website. Now you can check all of our previous webinars with verified e-certificate. Now it's easier and time oriented because after the session, we will not provide you any code for certification. You have to take part in one exam. After that, if you pass, you will receive your certificate, otherwise not. But you can take part in an exam unlimited till you pass. If you are an IGP speaker, you can download all your previous certificate, speakership certificate. If you are a host of IGP, you can download your certificate of gratitude. If you are an online life quiz competition winner, you can download a certificate of participation. If you are selected for a lifetime membership, then you can download a certificate of lifetime membership easily. Besides this, if you participated in an award function which organizes common support with IGP, you can download that also. You can instantly prepare and download 18 types of certificate from our website within a minute. Certificate of Global Professional Membership, Certificate of Global Inclusion in the Pandemic, Certificate of Active Knowledge, Certificate of Social Activities in a Pandemic, Certificate of Achievement IGP Knowledge Campaign 2020, 2021, and 2022, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 1, Authentic Assessment in Teaching Learning, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 2, Teaching English as a Foreign Language and Assessment, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 3, Digital Classroom Engagement Tool, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 4, The New Trend in Education, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 5, Upskilling on Leadership and Managerial Skills, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 6, Trend and Innovation in Mathematics Education, Certificate of Participation Webinar Series 7, Research and Comprehension Approach, Certificate of can prepare and download within a minute. From now on, you can participate in thousands of international level courses with verified e-certificate. Teaching these teacher, health tips for parents, health tips for education tools for teacher. You can join IGP alumni. You can check out our previous students. Your IGP well-wisher, we promise previously, but lack of technical problem will late sending you on time. It's a great opportunity to calculate previous condition to solve all issue from our website. Now we can Rao. He is from India. Before I hand over the speech to our speaker, sir, I want to share a very little bit about CEO Innovation Solution Lab. Now, very important moment for me to invite our speaker to IGP. Now, very important moment for me to invite our speaker to IGP.
Amazing diaspora of AI impact in
Hello,
law
sir.
technologies. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, the stage is yours. You can start your presentation now.
Sure. Today topic is impactful of AI technology in the law. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed legal professionals and distinguished guests in IGP, today we gather to discuss and explore the transformative power of artificial intelligence technology in the legal sector. With its unparalleled ability to streamline process, increase efficiency, and improve decision making, AI is the resetting the landscape of law, leaving a lasting impact on how legal services are delivered. Legal services are mostly occupied specifically in all geographical regions, and it's uh, uh, meant to make societally well governance. Through this piece, we aim to shed a light on the groundbreaking advancement and benefits and potential challenges associated with AI in the legal industries. So first we discuss enhanced legal research and analysis. AI-powered algorithm can rapidly sift through vast amount of data such as case law, legal status, contract to extract relevant information. These capabilities not only expedite research but also aids in identifying platforms, trends, and inconsistencies that human may miss. By automating and optimizing this crucial aspect of legal work, AI is empowering lawyers with comprehensive and accurate analysis, allowing them to make well-informed decisions. Contract review and analysis by the traditional process of review contracts is an very difficult and tedious task. However, AI technology have revolutionized this by utilizing natural language processing, we call NLP algorithms, empower lawyers to automate the review and analysis of contract quickly. AI-powered contract analytic systems can efficiently identify crucial clauses, flag potential leaks, and even suggest amendments. This not only accelerates contract review process but also minimize the possibility of human errors or omissions. AI help in predictive analysis. AI model have the ability to analyze vast amount of data to predict legal outcomes in various scenarios. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, legal profession can gain insight into the likely outcome of a case, allowing them to make informed strategic decisions. Predictive analysis can assist lawyers in identifying potential leaks and developing effective litigation strategies through saving valuable time on and their resources on legal peripheral. Uh, Most of the thing we discuss on e-discovery and due diligence is one of the crucial factors. It's one of the most significant challenges in litigation is the time-consuming process of e-discovery and due diligence. AI's ability to analyze large amount of data such as emails, documents, and other electronically stored information greatly enhance efficiently and accurately. AI-powered system can quickly sort and prioritize prominent documents, minimize manual labor, and expediting the discovery process while ensuring the compliance accuracy. Also save the time by the processes. Access to justice, it is one of the most important factors. AI technology also play a transformative role in increasing access to justice for individuals and communities with limited resources. Virtual legal assistant, chatbots, and AI-powered platforms provide affordable legal advice, information, and guidance to those who can't afford traditional legal services. This empower individuals to understand their legal rights, navigate legal process, and access justice bridging the justice gap. There are few examples we can discuss on the AI platforms. One, there are a lot of company nowadays growing, so we'll be discussing on the few companies. One is Ivo. Ivo is an AI-based platform that offers legal advice and guidance. It connects user with lawyers who can provide answers to their legal questions and concern. Thus, AI technology help match users with the right attorney based on their specific legal need. One other company is LegalZoom. It's an online platform that provides a range of legal services, including affordable legal advices. It offers access to a network of attorneys who can assist users with various legal matters such as contract, wills, trademarks, and more. LegalZoom's AI technology assists in preparing legal documents and providing self-help resources. One other companies do not pay. Do not pay is an AI-powered chatbot platform that offers legal assistance in various areas. It can help users with issues like parking ticket disputes, small claims, land tenant dispute, and more. The chatbot uses AI algorithm to provide relevant legal advice and even generate legal documents. One other platform is Rocket Lawyer. Rocket Lawyer is an online legal service platform that offers affordable legal advice and resources. It provides access to a network of attorneys who can assist with legal matters from contract review to business formations. Rocket Lawyer's AI technology help automation documentation creation and provide personalized legal advice based on the user inputs. It worth nothing that while this platform provides affordable legal services, every platform need to be improvised more and more to make available for the complex legal cases. It's always advisable that the platforms need to be integrated with the human interfaces for the legal compliances and all. And specifically, the LLM data day by day is improving. In the future, you can hope a larger segment of things can be done. So here we can discuss about some of the limitations on this topic. Lack of personal touch. So AI-powered platforms are programmed to provide standardized solutions to legal issues which may not take into account the nuisance of a particular cases. The advice offered may not be tailored to the specific need of the user and may lack the personal touch that one human being interaction can be provided. Second limitation is limitation scope of practices. AI-powered platform typically specialized in specific areas of law such as intellectual property right or immigration law and may not offer services for other complex legal matters. This can be limitation for users with more complex legal issues such as bankruptcy or criminal defense, which require more comprehensive legal strategies. Third limitation is depend on the data accuracy. AI algorithm rely heavily on the data inputs and may not be able to provide the best advice if the data is inaccurate or incomplete. This can be a limitation, particularly in case where the data is difficult to access or complex to analyze. Fourth limitation is inability to appear in court. Although AI platform can provide guidance and assistance in preparing legal documents, they can't represent client in the court, which is a crucial aspect of complex legal cases. This means that user may need to hire an attorney to represent them in the court. AI-powered legal platforms offer affordable legal advices and resources, but they have some limitation, particularly for a complex legal cases. While they can be a helpful resources for accessing legal information and basic guidances, they should not be considered a substitute for qualified legal advisory for a licensed attorney. In the gist, AI technology has emerged as a powerful force in the legal industry from legal research and contract analysis to predictive analysis and access to justice. AI is the revolutionized how legal professional approach and operates the thing. While these advances bring undeniable benefits, it's crucial to address concerns surrounding ethical considerations, data privacy, and biases. As we embrace AI technology, let us grow faster in the legal aspects. Let us strive for a future where human and machine work together harmoniously, leveraging the immense potential of AI while maintaining the core value principle of the legal profession. Let us embrace a future where AI enhance capabilities and propels the legal industries towards a more efficient, accessible, and just future, specifically to grown up the things and all. The AI impact technologies nowadays been spreading and experimenting day by day in various parts of the world. Everything or every technology have some bit of pros and some bit of cons. So cons means it's not negative. Cons means the area which it need to be rectified. So in the regards of the because legal uh, area is a very complex area, specifically lot of data, lot of validation, lot of complex cases, lot of various stuffs are there. So it needed algorithm to asking to framing the accurate data and train the model to capture the real time and the past data. So they the artificial intelligence have a adequate information on that. And second thing is that we must focus on the implementations of these technologies in various legal areas and legal forums, and also make aware about public, attorney, and bureaucrats and other players who are directly, indirectly associated with it, so that they can leverage the services and all. So, a artificial intelligence is creating and very good hype and also have a very good futuristic approaches and all. So let's improvise the model and let improvise the technological aspects so AI can help us out specifically in different avenues of the legal decision making and legal briefing. Uh, One thing specifically on the artificial intelligence, it's on the neuro-linguistic programs. So when because law cases are very largest and all, so it depends upon how we can leverage the benefits specifically on the artificial intelligence and all. And on few aspects like enhancing legal research and analysis, it's like how AI powered algorithm can rapidly shift this amount of data, like case laws, like statutories, contracts, and extracted the relevant information in adequate time. That is the main crucial thing. And the capabilities not only expedite the AI into research, but also aided in identifying different patterns and different trends and different inconsistencies, which most of the times maybe due to human error or due to miss by the attorney or the practitioners. Uh, the AI aspects is empowering lawyers to make the things uh, very smooth manner with less consumption of the time and also focus on the new initiative on the legal rights for us. And it help also a lawyer on specific on accurate analysis, allowing them to be make well informed decisions. So specifically in legal cases, there are a lot of contract areas or contract based things, contract forms, contract drafts are there. So in the traditional process, it's very difficult and tedious to review the contract. It's a arduous process and very time consuming. Those who are practicing, they know that. However, specifically when the person or the organization using AI technologies, which revolutionalize the things through, as we discussed on a platform called NLP strategies and algorithms, it empower lawyers to automate and review and analysis quickly of the contract so that there will be less number of time specifically on the decisions and violations of the contract. AI-powered contracts analytics systems efficiently creating a crucial process. And also, one of the segment factor is that maybe sometimes on a practical basis, but AI create alerts on crucial causes, flag potential leaks, and even if suggested new things on the amendment. So it will be helpful to the legal fraternity. This is not specifically a technology which is accelerate the contract. It review the process and also minimize the possibilities of human errors. We should specifically like when practitioners working on different cases, they have a minimum number of times, so they need to be prepared different drafts, different legal documents and all. So this technology will help them out to make things systematic, make things less error-free, make things more accurate, and make things more informed by minimizing the error and minimizing the omissions, maybe by human errors or any other so the analysis factor, when AI we discuss about, then we can talk about the analysis factor, the predictive factors, because it is one of the segment of AI. AI model has the ability to analyze the vast amount of data in quick amount of times, because it is trained according to that, and it helps to predict legal outcome in various scenarios by leveraging machine learning algorithms. Legal professionals can gain insights into likely outcome of a case, allowing them to make informed strategic decisions. This is the crucial fact. Prediction analytics help the lawyer to identify the potential risks of the cases and also developing effective litigation strategies how to enhance the documents and the legal cases through saving their valuable time of collecting, compiling, drafting, and analyzing, and also the resources. It's very crucial factor. Unlike in the legal cases, there are in most part of every country, the lot of cases are there. So it's very difficult, specifically for people. They might be traditionally structured, but it's very difficult and tedious to search out the due diligence. One of the most significant challenges it is specifically on the discovery of due diligence on past cases and all. Specifically, it's one of the significant challenges in the litigation, which is very time consuming. So, internet discoveries and due diligence by helping of AI come to give a safer sides. Artificial intelligence ability to analyze the large amount of data, such as court cases, emails, draft, and other electronically storage information, but the storage information should be available. Greatly, it enhances efficiency and accuracy. AI-powered systems can quickly sort and prioritize the prominent documents and minimize the manual errors, which is very impactful, and expediting the discovery process while ensuring the compliances. So uh, most part of the country, in every part of the world. So access to justice, because justice podium is there, but due to heavy cases load and other avenues and all, so it's and also not because every human being is not aware about much upcoming or current or standardized legal information. So they are not much aware about the access to justice. So sometimes when they have any legal help, they feel that they consult with any practitioners and all, they go the traditional process, but through accessing the justice, AI can help you out specifically to all papers before signing the practitioner. They can at least know about the case and their status on the avenues. AI technology plays a transformative role in increasing access to justice, specifically for the individual and the community who have very limited resources and limited information. These virtual legal assistants like chatbots, AI-powered platforms provide affordable legal advices, information, and guidance to those who can't afford the traditional legal services. It empowers individuals and the societal to understand their legal rights, navigating legal processes, and access to justice and bridging a gap between society and justice. It's a very segmentation fact, specifically those peoples who are in the communities. So AI platforms give various adaptive help out specifically for the users. AI platforms, some of platforms offer legal advices and guidance. It connects user with lawyers who can provide lawyers to their legal questions and concerns. AI technology help match users with the right attorney based on their specific legal needs, which will be help out to normal human beings and the societal people. There are various platforms which are based on the internet. They provide a range of legal services with the help of AI with for the affordable legal advices. This platform access to a network of attorney can assist users with the various legal methods such as contract, will, trademarks, and more. AI technology assists in preparing legal documents and provide self-help resources before going to register or file the terms. Specifically, affordability creates sometimes access to legal services and all. So there are some portals who are experimenting that how AI powered chatbot platforms that offer legal assistance in various areas, and this platform help users with issues like parking, small issues like parking tickets, landlord tenant disputes, small claims or small fines, and others. This chatbot uses the NLP algorithm to provide relevant legal advices and even generate uh, legal documents. There are portals also which give services based on the affordable legal advices and resources. These platforms provide access to a network of attorney who can assist with legal matters from contract review to business formation. Uh, AI technology help automated document creation and provide personalized legal advice based on their inputs. It's it's very it's a preliminary stage of evaluations of experimenting different artificial intelligence interface on the law aspects. So these platforms most of the time provide affordable legal advices. They might have some limitation because AI is increasing its capacity, capabilities, and information, and sometimes like we can't aspect from start day one the interpretation of the complex cases because you have to be trained the models. Like when to be a practitioner, a person have to be study the LB, then have to go for a year-long practices under the supervision of senior. Then he or she able to counter the cases or register as a counsel. specifically to address the cases and all. So that's like AI need to be trained effectively by the past data and the upcoming data and in a structured manner so that it can be help out to various legal fraternities on the embrace of the futuristic approaches and all. In most of the country, in developed and developing country, they are working, their fraternities working on the e-code projects, their fraternities working on the specifically on various AI technology interfaces in small legal cases, like fine some of statutory aids and some of like orders or ordinances. AI technologies has been used by some of governments in different part of the world. So it's not like we are comparing the professions between the human legal professionals and AI systems, but it's a synergize because every technology always have a greater aspect on the future resilience, how we can use the technology and make these things very stronger and very resilient for the future. That is, we have uh, embraced the opportunities and all. Specifically, when we discuss about on the legal fraternities, there are a lot of people nowadays. They're coming with the practices and all. So one of the foremost thing is that in the traditionally they practices under uh, their seniors for a year long, then they get opportunity to be self practices. But here, what happened that traditionally they acquire the field knowledge or you can say practices knowledge, and they when they hit on the cases and they with the approaches of the senior, they have uh, to be with the part of the case laws and all. But specifically, when this revolutionary AI technology come, it help out these young practitioners to give them the best things and best output and grabbing different cases. They have to be, they can access this all cases or replica cases throughout the globe, and these technology help them out to make them more efficient, experienced practitioners in coming future with less number of times, because it's one of their you can say you they can use as their assistance specifically on the research, specifically on the compilation, specifically on drafting various case laws and all. So there is always a part uh, we can appreciate it, and we can have a greater resilience on the basis factors and all. So I thanks specifically to IGP panels and all the listeners who are in all part of the world, and I wishes that time to time we will discuss on various topics on the futuristic approaches and all. Stay connected with IGP and basically on their social media handles, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And these are this organization imbibe with a lot of professionals from the globe, and you can take consultation, take services, take learnings from these platforms, which are very amazing and vibrant. And for any specifically on the technologies, research, uh, and other aspects, uh, you need my interface in post. You can connect me through the digital spaces on the LinkedIn at the red DRSSKRO, in the Instagram at the red DRSSKRO, in the Facebook at the red DRSSKRO, in the Twitter at the red DRSSKRO. And I appreciated that specifically if Anything else in your mind you want to ask, or you want to consult, you want to take advisory to set up office of your ideas into replications of the future uh, model. So you can connect me to this IGP and also to my social media handles and all. And we have discussed today the mostly AI impactfulness on segmentations and AI help out specifically on these capabilities of future developments, on the capabilities of legal peripheral development, on the capabilities of enhancing the predictive and analysis part. Uh, AI is the capabilities to discovering and also in future we can witness that from time to time as per the requirements or as per the synergization of technologies, it will be improvised and will be astonishing a different avenue or replica of AI specifically who with the technologies will be creating a bridge between human society and the technologies, specifically to make a good resilience, easy to access of justice, and expedite the process of the cases, and also help out the initiatives to make this society or this country or this world a legal base effective and transparent legal based systems, quick expedite manner of justices and all. And this sessions is just concluded, and I again thanks to IGP and its founder and all the panel member and today's anchor, specifically giving me the opportunity to be part of the fraternity and all. And I am happy that in time to time will be on discussions on various topics which can help out on the initiatives, specifically on different diaspora, societal, technological, commercial, health, and other aspect avenue of transformations. So thank you so much, IGP, and thank you so much, friends, those who are in all part of the globe. And thank you so much to all the mentors, all the researchers, all the developers, all the futurist and idealistic peoples. So just uh, wishes a very happy uh, Navaratri also is going on. So very happy Navaratri to all of my friends. And specifically those people or students who are practicing or developing these softwares, I advise that create some loop systems of past data to continuous form of receiving of the present data. And because if we need a very well informed decisions, we need that much of strategic or that much of collected or that much of arranged data. So I always believe that innovations has always a solutions, and we have always solutions when we search from our near surroundings. So let create something new and explore something new. And I wishes you can get. I have a couple of books on artificial intelligence. It's called the beginner, prompt engineering, and specifically on the legal aspects. I have a couple of books. You can visit my books on various e-commerce and digital portals. And I'm happy that knowledge is a form of innovations, which is a continuous form of creating solutions. So be the knowledge, be creating solutions, be making your life happy. And I thank you so much to all the members, all the family and friends, those who are listening to today's topics. Thank you so much. Have a very good day.
Hello, sir. Is the presentation is over?
Yes, the presentation is over.
Thank you so much, sir, for a rich content presentation which can impact our knowledge seeker surely. After your
Thank
presentation,
you.
I hope our knowledge seeker can learn something new, which was our only intention. Learn and grow together, IGP knowledge seeker. Once again, thank you so much, sir, for your presentation. Now, sir, it's time for our question answer session, which is the one more valuable part of our regular webinar. Honorable sir, please stay with us. After a short video, we will be back in our session part 2, which is the question answer part. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Sir, welcome back to our participant. GP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Dear IGP knowledge seeker, please ask your question in the comment box as much as you want to know from our speaker. Thank you. After question answer, we have a webinar certification and online quiz competition. Sir, our first question is from Bhanuroga. What's the negative impact of AI in law?
Uh, Hello. Yeah. Specifically, impact of negative in AI law. There's a question in the comment box, and the impact. There is no negative, but as we discussed, is that not structurized and not full amount of legal data, because some data are also confidential, not accessible and uh, well arranged manner. So if the technology or the data has more structure or not full data. Then sometimes complex cases like in the bankruptcy and criminal cases, there are a lot of data which are confidential. So these data need to be concerned and need to be structured so that it can help out the capabilities of AI specifically to reframe the well-informed decisions and also questions answers. Okay, that is a one area need to be improvised.
Thank you so much, sir, for your answer. Sir, there is no more questions from our participants. So once again, thank you so much, sir, for your time in IGP. We have learned a lot from you with new topic. It will add some value to our day-to-day activity along with our academic and professional growth. Honorable sir, hope to see you
Thank you
again
so
with a
much.
new topic and a new date. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, IGP.
This is studio, you can. Dear IGP Knowledge Seek, it's time for the most engaging part of this webinar, which is an online quiz competition, which is our regular webinar activity. Now time for the online quiz competition. To join the online quiz competition properly, please follow my instruction carefully. Now time for the online quiz competition. To join the online quiz competition properly, please follow my instruction carefully. For some technical problem, we cannot continue the quiz session from our website. So to join the quiz session, you have to go www.slido.com and the code is 1443019. I repeat the code 1443019. After a short video, we will start our quiz session. With 10 people, we are going to start our quiz session right now. First question is by how much would labor productivity increase if AI technology were to Option 2 is the right answer. 50% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Leah is holding the first position. Our second question is say technology was introduced. Option 1, second generation. Option 2, fifth generation. Option 2 is the right answer. 60% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Leah is holding the first position. Our third question is in technology, what's AI? Option 1, automatic industry. Option 2, artificial intelligence. Option 2 is the right answer. 100% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Leah is holding the first position. Our fourth question is, what is AI in technology? Option 1, required human output. Option 2, required human input. Option 2 is the right answer. 55% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Flami is holding the first position. Our fifth question is, in technology, AI stands for option 1, artificial intelligence. Option 2, Adobe Illustrator. Option 2 is the right answer. No one is correct here. Our sixth question is, who invented deepfake AI technology? Option 1, Johnson, Denzit. Option 2, and Goldfellow. Option 2 is the right answer. 45% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Flami is holding the first position. Our seventh question is, technology is the classroom is more impactful than the teacher. Is it true or false? Option 2 is the right answer. 73% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Flami is holding the first position. Our eighth question is, what is the most impactful piece of technology in our lives? Option 1, phone. Option 2, internet. Option 2 is the right answer. 91% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Flami is holding the first position. Our second last question of the session is, who is the use of technology impactful in the study? Option 1, it describes the personal growth and realization of learners. Option 2, the streets use technology to catch Lawrence. Option 1 is the right answer. 27% people are right here. In the leaderboard, Timothy is holding the first position. Our last and final question of the session is, who is influenced the development of AI technology? Option 1, Edison. Option 2, Sam Altman. Option 2 is the right answer. 100% people are right here. Congratulations to our online quiz competition in the top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalizing the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competence certificate on our official Facebook page and group, Institute of Global Professional. Congratulations to our online quiz competition in the top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for official Facebook page and group, Institute of Global Professional. Congratulations to our online quiz competition in the top 10. Congratulations again. We will take a few minutes for finalizing the result. After that, we will issue our online quiz competence certificate on our official Facebook page and group, Institute of Global Professional. At the end of our session, we can say, properly feed your skill. Never stop learning, cause life never stop teaching us. Be happy, stay safe. See you again and again. We want your participation in every program. If you want to live a happy life, try to able on the people of things, Albert Einstein. Before I say, hit the unlike button again once time. All IGP knowledge seekers for your active participation as always. See you again in the next session. Thank you.